How to start and win Bigo PK Battles. Picture this. You're about to enter a digital arena where thousands of viewers will decide your fate in real time, where victory is measured in sparkling diamonds and defeat means watching your opponent celebrate while your progress bar falls behind. In the next few minutes, careers are made, reputations are built, and serious money changes hands, all based on your ability to captivate an audience and inspire them to open their wallets. This is the high-stakes world of Bigo Live PK Battles, where players knock off competitions pit streamers against each other in real-time battles decided by their supporters and audience. Welcome to this Duel of Concepts deep dive, where we'll unlock the strategies, psychology, and tactical secrets that separate PK champions from those who consistently find themselves on the losing side of the diamond count. Before diving into winning strategies, let's establish exactly what we're dealing with. PK battles on Bigo Live are short competitions lasting only a few minutes, where whichever streamer earns the most diamonds by receiving gifts from viewers during the battle is declared the winner. But calling it just a competition dramatically understates the complexity of what's actually happening during these intense digital showdowns. These battles are essentially real-time competitions between streamers, where the winner is decided by the viewers through diamond earnings. Think of it as a live auction where instead of bidding on items, viewers are bidding on their favorite streamer's victory. The psychology is fascinating. Viewers aren't just watching entertainment, they're actively participating in determining the outcome, which creates an entirely different level of engagement than passive viewing. The mechanics are deceptively simple but strategically complex. Diamonds enable viewers to buy gifts for broadcasters, with gifts worth 100 diamonds resulting in the broadcaster receiving 100 beans in a one-for-one transaction. However, understanding this economy is crucial because it means every viewer interaction has real monetary value, and successful PK warriors know how to maximize this value during the intense pressure of battle. Starting your first PK battle might seem straightforward, but timing and preparation separate amateurs from professionals. To initiate a PK battle, open the Bigo Live app during your stream and tap the PK button in the bottom right corner. Then select your PK mode. But here's what the interface doesn't tell you: the moment you hit that button, you're committing to a performance that could define your streaming reputation. You can initiate a PK with a random streamer or invite a specific friend or streamer, with both streamers encouraging their viewers to send gifts while a progress bar shows who's leading. The choice between random and targeted battles reveals your first strategic decision. Random battles offer the element of surprise and potentially mismatched opponents, while targeted battles allow you to leverage existing relationships and plan coordinated entertainment. The pre-battle phase is where most streamers either set themselves up for victory or doom themselves to defeat. Smart PK initiators don't just randomly challenge opponents, they study potential matchups, consider their audience's spending patterns, and time their battles for maximum viewer engagement. Successful streamers schedule PK battles during peak hours, typically 7-10 p.m. local time, to maximize participation. But peak hours aren't just about viewer count, they're about viewer quality. Your most generous supporters, your whales in gaming terminology, tend to be online during specific windows. Understanding your audience's spending patterns can mean the difference between battling with empty pockets and entering with a war chest ready to deploy. Once the battle begins, your performance strategy becomes crucial. Your goal is to keep your progress bar ahead of your opponents by using your talents singing, dancing, telling jokes to win over the audience and make them want to drop gifts for you. However, raw talent alone won't guarantee victory. The most successful PK warriors understand they're not just entertainers, they're live salespeople with minutes to convince viewers to invest in their victory. Setting mini goals like, if we hit X points, I'll do a special performance, helps motivate fans during battles. This gamification transforms passive viewers into active participants with skin in the game. When someone contributes diamonds toward a specific goal, they become emotionally invested in seeing that goal achieved. Smart streamers create escalating reward tiers that encourage continued spending throughout the battle duration. The psychology of gift-giving during PK battles operates on multiple levels. Viewers aren't just buying entertainment, they're purchasing social status, community belonging, and the vicarious thrill of victory. Understanding these motivations allows skilled streamers to craft appeals that resonate beyond simple entertainment value. Audience management during battles requires split-second decision-making and emotional intelligence. Your top supporters or angels or guardians are your biggest spenders who'll spend hundreds of dollars just for you to win, making it important to be appreciative, sincere, and grateful during PK battles. But appreciation can't be generic. Effective PK streamers develop personalized recognition systems that make high-value supporters feel uniquely valued. The art of acknowledgement becomes crucial during the chaos of battle. While maintaining your entertaining performance, you must simultaneously track gift notifications, recognize contributors, and encourage continued support, all while keeping one eye on your opponent's progress bar. This multitasking separates experienced PK warriors from newcomers who get overwhelmed by the simultaneous demands. Strategic pacing throughout a battle can dramatically impact results. Many inexperienced streamers exhaust their energy and their audience's wallets in the first minute, leaving nothing in reserve for crucial final moments. Veteran PK participants understand that battles often intensify in the closing seconds, and maintaining resources and energy for those final pushes frequently determines outcomes. Building pre-battle momentum significantly impacts your chances of victory. Smart streamers don't just randomly initiate PK battles, they build anticipation throughout their regular streams, creating storylines and rivalries that give viewers emotional investment in specific matchups. Using the PK rematch feature helps build rivalries, as fans love rooting for their favorite in ongoing competitions. The rematch dynamic creates serialized entertainment that keeps audiences returning. Instead of isolated competitions, successful streamers develop ongoing narratives where each battle contributes to larger storylines. This serialization transforms casual viewers into dedicated followers who feel compelled to support their streamer through multiple battles. Cross-promotion strategies can amplify your PK effectiveness beyond your existing audience. Teaming up with streamers in similar niches, like gaming plus music, enables cross-audience growth during PK battles. These collaborations expose you to new potential supporters while providing your existing audience with varied entertainment. However, collaboration requires careful partner selection. The ideal PK opponent should have a similar audience size and spending capacity to ensure competitive battles. Mismatched opponents result in predictable outcomes that bore viewers and waste everyone's time. The best PK partnerships create genuine uncertainty about outcomes, keeping audiences engaged throughout the entire battle duration. Post-battle behavior significantly impacts your long-term PK success. Win or lose, how you handle battle conclusions affects viewer perception and future support. Gracious winners who acknowledge their opponent's efforts and thank supporters tend to build stronger, more loyal communities. Conversely, poor sportsmanship can alienate supporters and damage your reputation within the Bigo Live community. Victory celebrations should be proportionate and inclusive. While acknowledging your win is important, excessive celebration can appear ungrateful or dismissive of your opponent's efforts. The most successful PK streamers frame victories as community achievements rather than personal triumphs, reinforcing that supporters were crucial to success. Defeat management requires even more finesse. How you handle losses reveals character and can actually strengthen audience loyalty. Streamers who analyze defeats constructively, acknowledge opponent strengths, and commit to improvement often see increased support in subsequent battles. Conversely, making excuses or displaying poor sportsmanship can permanently damage your PK reputation. Advanced PK strategy involves understanding the broader ecosystem beyond individual battles. PK battles drive higher engagement from both participants and viewers, can attract sponsors or advertisers looking to partner with popular streamers, and help build community among viewers and participants. This means PK success can create opportunities beyond immediate diamond earnings. The community-building aspect of PK battles extends your influence beyond streaming sessions. Regular PK participants often develop dedicated fan groups that coordinate support across multiple platforms. These communities become powerful marketing networks that can amplify your content and attract new viewers to your streams. Monetizing PK success requires strategic thinking beyond battle victories. While diamond earnings provide immediate income, the visibility and community building generated through successful PK campaigns can lead to sponsorship opportunities, merchandise sales, and other revenue streams that dwarf individual battle earnings. Technical preparation often determines PK outcomes before battles even begin. Internet connection stability, audio quality, and visual setup all impact your ability to maintain audience engagement during crucial moments. Many potentially successful streamers lose winnable battles due to technical issues that could have been prevented through better preparation. Equipment investment specifically for PK battles can provide competitive advantages. High-quality audio equipment ensures your voice cuts through the chaos of battle notifications and opponent audio. Professional lighting helps maintain visual appeal even during high-energy performances. These technical advantages can mean the difference between victory and defeat in closely contested battles. Content preparation strategies help maintain performance quality under battle pressure. Many successful PK streamers develop repertoires of proven audience-engaging activities they can deploy during battles. Having tested material ready prevents awkward moments when creativity fails under pressure. Psychological preparation for PK battles addresses the mental challenges of live competition. The pressure of real-time performance while money changes hands can overwhelm unprepared streamers. Developing pre-battle routines and mental strategies helps maintain composure during intense moments. Understanding opponent psychology adds another strategic layer to PK success. Studying potential opponents' previous battles reveals their strengths, weaknesses, and typical audience response patterns. This intelligence allows you to develop counter strategies and exploit opponents' predictable behaviors. The global nature of Bigo Live means understanding cultural differences in viewer behavior and spending patterns. Audiences from different regions respond to different types of content and have varying gift-giving customs. Successful international PK streamers adapt their approaches based on their audience composition during specific battles. Economic timing considerations extend beyond daily peak hours to include monthly spending cycles, holiday seasons, and cultural events that impact viewer disposable income. Strategic PK warriors time their most important battles to coincide with periods when their audience has maximum spending capacity. Long-term PK career development requires balancing immediate battle victories with sustainable audience growth. Streamers who focus solely on winning individual battles sometimes burn out their supporters or develop reputations as too aggressive. The most successful PK careers balance competitive intensity with community nurturing. Brand development through PK battles helps establish your unique streaming identity. Whether you become known for specific types of performances, particular battle styles, or unique audience interaction methods, developing a recognizable brand makes you a sought-after PK opponent and attracts dedicated supporters. Legal and platform compliance considerations become important as PK earnings increase. Understanding Bigo Live's terms of service, tax implications of diamond earnings, and international money transfer regulations helps avoid problems that could jeopardize your streaming career. Future-proofing your PK strategy involves staying current with platform updates, emerging competitor features, and evolving viewer preferences. The live streaming industry changes rapidly, and successful PK streamers continuously adapt their approaches to maintain competitive advantages. If mastering the art of PK warfare has sparked your competitive spirit and opened your eyes to the strategic depth hidden within those seemingly simple progress bars, don't let this battle plan end here after all. Every great PK warrior knows that preparation continues long after the diamonds stop falling. Hit that like button if these insider strategies have armed you with the knowledge to transform from PK participant to PK champion. Subscribe to Duel of Concepts for more deep dives into the competitive worlds hidden within our digital platforms. And drop a comment sharing your most memorable PK battle experience. Was it an epic comeback victory, a heartbreaking last-second defeat, or perhaps that moment when you realized your supporter was spending more on virtual gifts than you make in a week? Because in a world where digital competitions create real communities and virtual diamonds translate to actual dollars, understanding the game behind the game might just be your path to streaming success.